Hey, what's up? This is Scott with Level Up Tutorials, and in this quick level up tip here, I'm going to share with you a tool made by Pavel Guzebek. And what he made here is something that's really dead simple, but just super duper nice, right? I've already used this thing 100 times. So what this is a snippet generator for any of your three major text editors. We have VS Code, Sublime Text, and Atom, which I love that it's platform agnostic, because it's like there's this great tool that's been made, but it's only for one platform. That sucks, right? Here we have it for VS Code, Sublime, and Atom, which all have a little bit slightly different snippet syntax. So I'll include a link to this in the video description. But as you can see here, if you know how to do snippets, you'll know that in VS Code, you actually have to have each line of your snippet be its string in an array, and the tabbing and spacing has to be dead on. And it's really just super annoying to have to write out the syntax to do the snippets. So what I like to do is just come in here and drop in my code, copy it straight out of VS Code or whatever I'm working in, and you'll notice nice and nice here we have our all of our tabbing and spacing correctly with the array, and you'll notice that Sublime Text has a completely different syntax entirely. I do like how he changed the color here so you know which one you're looking at, or it's like, hey, if it's not the right color that you're still looking at, then you'll know that you've selected the wrong one. And obviously Atom here is pretty much the same as VS Code in a lot of ways. However, it allows for this triple quote that allows you to have basically a multi-line string. So I use VS Code here, and ways we can make this a little bit better is by using placeholders, right? So it says declare a placeholder, and then more info shows you basically how you can declare a placeholder in each of the major different ones. So if we wanted to have a placeholder for component name with the default value of component name, we could have $, bracket 1, colon, component name, and then end this off with a bracket. And now what this is going to do is have the component name be the default part of the snippet. Now check it out. This is our snippet. We want to have maybe a description here. It can just be new React component. Okay. Now the tab trigger is going to be what triggers this snippet from displaying, and because I already have a bunch of React snippets, I don't want to have this be another RC whatever. I just want to show this in a demo. This is like PA. I'm getting this from the first three letters of Pavel's name here. So as you can see here, PAW, and we can copy the snippet directly simply just by clicking in the snippet. It selects this all for us, and you could do Command C from here, or without doing any of that, you could just click copy, and you'll see it's been highlighted. Now we can head to VS Code, and I'm going to throw up a new snippet here. I'm going to do code, preferences, user snippets. Now I love using snippets because they can just make your life so much better. And you see we have just an object here. I can go ahead and just paste a snippet directly into this object. You see my prefix, PAW. Let's go ahead and try this out in a file. I just have a random file right here, and let me give some space here at the bottom, and I can type PAW. You can see it recognizes a snippet. Paste it out, and component name is now highlighted, PAW, whatever you want to say to call this snippet. So as you can see here, this works super duper well. It basically takes all of the pain of having to write all this garbage out every single time, and especially having to deal with all of the spaces and array of strings and stuff like that. And as far as the other syntaxes go, it makes the Atom one a lot easier just by eliminating the having to write out this object or the CSUN or whatever it is. And then for the Sublime Text, to be honest, I never learned the Sublime Text snippet syntax, so it's nice that you don't have to learn the syntax for a snippet, right? Because a snippet should be saving you time, not making you learn the specific syntax of that platform to write a snippet. So I'll post a link to the snippet generator in the comments of this video. You want to go ahead and head to Pavel's website, follow him on Twitter, give him lots of likes and lots of stars on GitHub, share this on Twitter, all of the good stuff. This is some excellent stuff that I already have been using all the time. So as always, this is Scott with Level Up Tutorials. If you have any questions or comments, leave a comment on the video, hit me up at Twitter or Facebook at Level Up Tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.